Hello, in this training video, I want to show you a new feature that we just released, and it's called Assign One Customer to Multiple Employees. Now, let me show you how this feature works. You want to come over to Customers, and as you can see right here, I have one customer. Now, I want to be able to assign this one customer to multiple employees. So all you have to do is go over here to Assign To, and click on Me. I'm one employee, and then Sign is a second employee, and you can actually assign it to all your employees if you want to, right here. Now if I go and click on all of my employees, all the employees that has certain permissions will be able to see this particular customer. So this is the new feature pretty much. So now you can assign one customer to multiple employees. So all 8 of these employees will be able to see this customer when they log in into their client dispute manager software. Now, what this means basically is 8 employees out of 8 employees are able to see Betty White. Now, if I go over here and I uncheck here, let's go down and let's hit 1. So what this means is that one employee out of 8 employees. So the 8 means I have 8 employees. The 1 means that one employee is assigned to this customer out of 8 employees. All right, as you can see with the drop down here, this is the only employee that is checked. And if you check 2, this means 2 employees out of 8 employees can see this customer's information. Now, in order for the employees to see certain information, you have to restrict them under the permission screen. Now I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so right now I'm on the permission screen, and if you want certain employees to be assigned to certain customers, and you want those employees to only see those customers, you have to come over here and select on Restrict Customers for that particular employee. All right, so if you want that particular employee to only see certain customers that you assign to that employee, you will go ahead and click on Restrict Customers right here. And then when I log back into the customer screens here, this employee, Mazul, because I restricted his access, he can only see Betty White. All right, now who else is assigned? Right here, this employee, because I turned on restrictions, this employee can only see Betty White, okay? Or can only see only the customers that I assign to them. They won't be able to see any other customers in the software. So if you unrestrict them, they will be able to see all of your customers in the software. So always make sure you have on the restriction function under permissions for your employees, so they can only see the customers you assign them to.